Hello everybody, thank you for watching the new episode of How to DIY. This month we got a giveaway running that will be linked on top over here. And this is the FlySky FS GR3C range test. And we're going to use it with the FF GR3E receiver that came with the radio. We have added a tie wrap to extend the antenna upwards to get a better signal reception, to get a good clear range test, and hope it works. We have added new rubber tires to the Wltoys Key 99, so instead of having a drift car, it's getting back to a race car, and see how much range we get. Start the range test of FlySky GT3C. And we lost it. Let's count the test and see how much range we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. "76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So already 80 meters. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. At 92 meters we find the Wltoys K89 with upstanding antenna to get an extra receptor signal. So 92 meters. I really hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for the next upcoming video where we're going to of course upgrade and improve on its range and boost it even more. Well, I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.